Chisepo, the president. There's Venon, the finance guy. I'm the programmer. And there's Adam, who's a bit of both programmer and a business guy, basically. Outsource now. Looking at the problem at hand, I think with the skills we have a programmer who can practically work in any language, which is myself. All right, so I think with my skills, I'm able to build the app that is in question. But then this app is not just an app, of course. It's got to do with financial aspect of it, which is why we've got Venon. Venon has got a financial background. Basically, will help us into building the app so that it caters for the target market. We've got Adam, who's the business guy, the business side of it. I mean, we need to make money out of this application at the end of the day, or whatever our solution is. So he's going to help with that. So I think amongst us, we should have the right skills to, cater for everything. We also have Chisepo. Chisepo is the operations guy. I think he's going to tell us what numbers are out there and what exactly we should actually target, who the target market is, basically. Problem is we are solving is there's a lot of hazard into accessing funds out there, especially in rural areas. People have got a problem accessing funds. The reason being it's not that they don't have means to access funds, but there's no one there to actually provide these funds to them, and there are no means for them to buy services like financial services out of the cash that they have. They could have cash, but they can't actually access these services in any way. And probably service providers could have actually sensitized these people in the first place, but there is no platform for them to actually get to that service, basically. And that's what we are trying to solve. So we hope to solve this problem basically by means of an application that we are developing. We currently are distributing point of sale system, and with this point of sale system, we've seen an opportunity to actually increase the ability for people to actually access funds, transfer funds, buy services on existing businesses. Well, this is definitely a solution because currently what is there is not good enough. It's not catering for the wide area that is there. Basically, they're only covering probably 7% of what is out there, and we are there to actually bridge the gap. Because currently, what is there is no cross-platform kind of solutions. If I'm on MTN Money, I can only pay to someone who's got MTN Money. If I'm on Airtel Money, I can only pay to someone who's got Airtel Money. And we're trying to take that out of the equation. The differences are plenty. The application we're developing, first of all, it is able to handle SMS. It's able to work offline in terms of data if you're using an app, my mobile app. But for people without mobile app, they can use simple phones that can simply do USSD or SMS, which is feature phone, of course. Besides that, the app will be able to run on all kinds of operating systems, meaning it will do Android, it will do Windows. It's a hybrid app, basically. The other difference is that we have the ability to use existing infrastructure, which is not common with other businesses. We can integrate our system in an already existing point of sale system. It could be a business like a supermarket, it could be a restaurant. As long as they've got a point of sale system, they should be able to come on our platform and use and utilize our service. The hackathon is going on great. We've met good people that are quite skilled in different areas, and actually we've been moving our idea from one place to another because there's just so much we're getting from mentors and coaches. Yeah, they're pushing in so many ideas, and we're actually overwhelmed. It's great.